morning, students. Welcome back to the SST class. Children, in the previous class, we have discussed some national symbols of our country. Now, let's have feedback. Name the main national symbols of India. The national flag, the national anthem, and the national emblem are the main national symbols of India. What is at the middle of the national flag? There is a Ashok Chakra with 24 spokes at the middle of the national flag. What does the national anthem signify? The national anthem signifies the unity and integrity of our nation. So, children, our today's topic is national emblem and other symbols. National emblem. It is the main national symbol of India. It indicates the unity of our nation. It is the official seal of Government of India and appears on government vehicles, papers, passports, coins, notes, and postcards, etc. Children, there are 4 lines sitting back to back and facing the 4 directions, but we can see only 3 lines. The words Satyamev Jayate is written at the base of this symbol. Now let's read about it. National emblem, the symbol with lines found on coins, currency, and all government papers, is a national emblem. We can see only 3 lines. Actually, there are 4 lines back to back, but the 4th cannot be seen. Below the line is a wheel with a horse and bull on either side. The words Satyamev Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs, are written at the bottom. Students, underlying triumphs means to gain victory over something. Truth alone triumphs means Satyamev Jayate, or we can say that truth and honesty always win. Children, where do you find the symbol of national emblem? We find the symbol of national emblem on coins, currency, and all government papers. How many lines are sitting back to back on the national emblem? There are 4 lines sitting back to back on the national emblem. Name the animals found at the base of our national emblem. The animals found at the base of our national emblem are horse and bull. Children, do you know where is the national emblem on the 10 rupee note? See the national emblem as at the bottom on the left side of the 10 rupee note. Now let's read about some other symbols. That is national song. Students, Vande Mataram is a national song. It is composed in Sanskrit. Next is tiger. It is our national animal. It is a combination of strength, power, and stamina. Children, now let's see the next picture. Peacock is our national bird. It is one of the most beautiful birds on the earth. It is known for its beauty and grace. Next is lotus. It is our national flower. It symbolizes its beauty, grace, purity, and knowledge. It is an aquatic flower with pink and white petals in round shape. Now come to the reading. Other symbols. Vande Mataram is our national song. The tiger is our national animal. It is known for its strength and power. The peacock is our national bird. It is known for its beauty and grace. The lotus is our national flower. It is known for wealth and knowledge. Students, underline strength means quality of being strong. Underline grace means elegance. Next word is knowledge means information. Now students, name the national animal of India. The tiger is the national animal of India. What does the national animal tiger signify? The national animal tiger signifies its strength and power. What is our national bird known for? Our national bird, peacock, is known for its beauty and grace. Name the national song of India. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Now, students, I have discussed different national symbols with you. So, your homework is to read this chapter thoroughly and do exercise C and picture reading on page number 91. Thank you. Have a nice